everyone again. If you're all here, I apologize. I'm not sure why it just turned off my stream. I'm not sure why that is. It's kind of annoying. Yeah, I'm not sure why my stream stopped. Receiving enough video to maintain. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. As such, viewers will experience buffers. I don't know what on earth is going on with my internet. It's just actually very, very annoying. Yeah, there's something wrong with my stupid internet. I need to call them to see, like, what the heck is wrong with my internet. That's actually quite annoying. Cause it's been like that like this whole week, and like last week too. Alert mode. I guess there's no tip on alert mode. Right, I don't think it's any tip. Oh yeah, no. The wick tip. So here. Yeah, I don't know why the stupid EC wick tip. I don't know why my internet's been like that. Yeah, I see this is like all over the place. I'm almost tempted to take a short right here, honestly. I'm very tempted to take a short. If it closes like that, I think I will take a short. It'll be a quick scalp. I'm just waiting for like at least 10 seconds left. If it still stays like that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, stop loss above. Yeah, pretty simple. Let's see. Okay, so get back to my coding. Color match tip. Close half tip. tip. Reaction with tip. Tip. Hammer with tip. Bro. Hammer size tip. Okay, looking good so far. Looking good so far. And then if this does end up hitting TP, this ends up also being my open range strategy. If it pulls back up, rejects, take it even lower. Tip, doji size tip, dual tip, doji size, this one. Dual tip. Ratio tip. Is there a look back? Yeah, there's look. Okay, I'm almost done. Tip, look back, tip. Swing, tip. Reflect, tip. Offset tip, and I think that's it, right? Oh no, this is these bullish key color labels that mark. Okay, so this is just the color of. Okay, so it is just the color, so it would be just these colors here. Color, bull border. Wait a minute. Bull pivot, bear pivot. Border and background. Ew, I guess it's for both of these. Okay. Tool tip. Bull pivot. Yeah. Okay, so this one should be tool tip. Bearish pivot tip. This one should be breakout tip. Breakout color arrow. Breakout color. Okay. Breakout tip. Okay. Maybe breakout tip, I'm guessing. Yeah. Okay. Something's about to happen at 10 a.m. Let's see. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, we'll see at the end of the day. I mean, he's gonna take me out. SMR tip. Oh, SNR. That's what we put. SNR. False break tip. False break tip. False break. Move. I really just touched that. Like, it's still within this zone. I still think it's gonna come down. I do have to. I like to put it above. I like to put that above. Yeah, I do like to put that above. I guess still within this range too. And it takes me out, but I'm still gonna take the, if it goes up. I just don't like, I mean, I don't know, there's too much randomness, I think, at the moment. We'll see. If it takes me out, it takes me out. It is what it is. There we go. We'll see. We'll see how this plays out. Let's finish this. SMS. Move tip. Move tip. Pat tip. Pat tip. Move tip. Pat tip. Label tip. think they had anything for. Yeah, they did not. I'm curious if this is how they do it. And I think this is the last one. Yeah, straight tip. Alright, I think we're good. Let's see. Well, that's doing its thing. I see. It's rejecting. If it closes engulfing under, then I'm taking another short. So is there any big news today? Where's my news thing? Why don't I? I think I closed my factory thing. Let's see. Let's see. Any news today? I mean, there was a wait. Oh, at 10 a.m. was the big news. Yeah, I mean, I also focused on the coding that I completely forgot about checking that. Okay, let me go back here. Let's see. And it worked. Perfect. So let's see. All right. Copy this code. All right, it was 800. Yeah, 124. All right, so let's save that code. Let's send it to them. Blah, blah, blah. This is done, close, close, close. This is my anchor one. I'll leave it there, but I don't need that anymore. Close without saving. Alright. This rejection right here is killing me. Yeah, this rejection is absolutely killing me. So how's your trade been so far? Oh, I'm too tired right now, bro. I don't know why I'm so tired. I just got home from the gym. I mean, maybe that's why I'm tired. If this closes below and this closes red, kind of like what it's doing, I'm gonna take another short to down here. And it looks like this has already missed me. Damn. Okay, so I won't be able to enter anymore. Because then it's not really worth it. From here to here, it's not really worth it. But this shows you why this indicator I built actually is really strong, and it was a complete accident. Because I was just building it to tell me about consolidation, but what I ended up doing is it did tell me when there was consolidation, but what it did was not necessarily consolidation per se. What it did was it gave me support and resistance zones, which would be the high and the low of a consolidation area, which is also strong. So that's kind of what it ended up giving me. If it closes below the VWAP, I do think it's gonna reach down here. Honestly, it may reach up to the yesterday's open range high. So honestly, it can probably come all the way down here. I would not be surprised if it does. But I missed it, unfortunately. I just shot down too hard. And it did close below it. Honestly, if it pulls back, Hmm. If it pulls back, kind of like what it's doing, and then closes red, I think I'll enter. But we'll see. Honestly, I think I will enter here. Yeah, I'll leave my stop loss. Actually, let me go back on 3 minute. That's what the original thing is. I'll leave it right above this. And TP is kind of touching here. Yeah, it's nothing crazy. Honestly, I'm just gonna put it right above here just to be safe. The only issue that I have with it at the moment is all this liquidity right above. It's the one thing that I'm surprised it hasn't really reached into. But the fact that it's really within this range like that, what is happening tomorrow? Let me see, where's my, It's probably because it's non-farm payroll, honestly. This week is probably gonna be like wonky or choppy. We'll see, but I think it might be. Might be kind of wonky this week. Right, well, while I'm waiting for that, okay, so wow, this thing really does not want to cooperate. Do this, copy this. Where's this at? Okay. Sorry about that. I am back. All right. I just took the rejection because it bounced off here up. The goal is to reach up there, which is 1 standard deviation from the range. So hopefully that hits it. And I mean, if it takes me out here, I'm pretty much done. Like, I'm not taking any more trades for the rest of the day. Okay, anyway, let's get back to this. Delete, save. Alright, so mm-hmm. 50 minutes before. The 15-minute chart. What volume or surge in volume? 4 hour. Okay, looking good so far. And again, this is a rejection point, so it's definitely very useful. Usually there was a lot of bass based on the music that I was playing. Range line open. Well, the thing is about 9:15. Okay, looking good. Looking good. And let me add volume. Oh, I need volume though. All right, yeah, keep going. So, this is where now I determine kind of where the rest of the day is gonna go, based off this. All right, so it should ideally keep going up from here. I guess that too, it could technically go down, but usually when the price fully breaks, it tends to stay in that direction for the rest of the day. As you can see, it tends to stay in that direction for the rest of the day. Stays in that direction for the rest of the day. This was the first break, but it kind of just consolidated all day. So this one is, an exception. Here it did break down. It did come up here, stay up there. Did come back down. Well, this is at close, market close, so it did stay up there for the rest of the day. It did stay up for the rest of the day. So it does tend to stay in that direction. PM. Oh, here. They just stay there for the most part. Here, so you see, it does stay in that direction. Here was consolidation, so some days it consolidates. It is what it is. Broke down, so it does give you the direction for the day. Right now, I think is long, just because how this broke out, but we will see and kind of go from there. We will see. This trend, I just kind of keep it until the end of the day. Uh, Start row. No value assigned to the start row parameter. Yeah, I'll fix this. Undeclared identifier, date of year. Date of year. Alright. I'm just not gonna close this because it's like it stretches it and I don't like that. Well, this was the standard deviation from it. Kind of go from there. I'm gonna move this here. Even though I don't like it, there's a fair value gap there. I'll actually leave it there. I'll leave it there. I don't like the fair value gap that's there, but okay. Come on. So once this trade closes, I'm pretty much done for the rest of the day. But I do think it wants to go higher, so I may still trade on my personal time. But for live streaming purposes, this is the position. Once I'm here, I'm pretty much done for the day. But yeah, Mr. Washington, like I said, I think the day is going to be long based off what open range tends to do. So if you're going to keep taking longs, it's not a bad bet. You kind of go from there. Come on, I'm hoping that it just touches this and calls it. Yeah, come on. You want to do it. Come on. Oh, let's go. All right, claim. My open range strat was good for the day. I still keep it open until 11, but I'm pretty much done. Alright, but everyone, I think I will close the stream early for today. I may do it 15 minutes early. But since I'm not taking any more trades for the rest of the day or for live stream purposes, I do still think it's gonna go up for the rest of the day. Will it keep going up after 2 o'clock? I'm not too sure, since it is FOMC week. And then that way, you know, the market can kind of do what it feels like, which is not necessarily good. But hopefully that's not the case. Hopefully that is not the case. But we will see. We will see tomorrow. We'll kind of take it day by day and kind of go from there. But we should be good for the rest of the day. So I will talk to you all tomorrow. Have a blessed day and good trades or good trading. So peace. Have a good one, everyone.